Our intent with this presentation is to help you understand the different types of swim against the current systems available to consumers. This will help you make an informed decision as to whether one of our Badu Swimjet systems will meet your needs. First, let's take a look at the different types of swim against the current systems that are available to the consumer. There are two basic methods to create a current sufficient enough to swim or walk against. Badu Swimjet Systems accomplish this by pushing water through jet nozzles that create an immediate burst of water with an initial flow rate of up to 400 gallons per minute near the pool wall. The system then pushes the body of water in front of it, which in turn creates a current of up to 5,000 gallons per minute, which can be measured between 4 and 6 feet from the pool wall. We call this the sweet spot. The second type of system can be described as a river flow system. This type of system essentially uses a propeller enclosed in the housing, which is driven by hydraulic pumps or a V-belt. River flow systems do not generate an initial burst of water the way that Badu Swimjet systems do. Instead, they produce a continuous flow of water measuring approximately 5,000 gallons per minute. There are advantages and disadvantages to each type of system, so let's now focus on how to decide which system type is right for you. As we learned earlier, Badu Swimjet systems create an immediate burst of water at the pool wall. This burst of water creates turbulence or white water, which children of all ages can use with boogie boards and other similar floatable toys for hours of fun. This powerful punch of water near the pool wall can also be used to lean against to enjoy a massage-like effect. Additionally, we offer optional massage wands that can be connected directly to the jet nozzles to provide an even more concentrated massage current. Badu Swimjet systems greatly enhance the enjoyment of a swimming pool, but they also provide incredible aquatic exercise and therapy options. So let's take a moment to learn about these features. Although swimjet systems are sometimes referred to as water treadmills, they only have basic similarities with exercise equipment such as treadmills, stationary bikes, or elliptical machines. For instance, if a treadmill is set at 4 miles per hour, a user will be forced to walk or jog at that pace. This is not true for swimjet systems. All swimmers are not created equal. Body shapes vary greatly, as do fitness levels, individual swimming styles, and techniques. Badu Swimjet systems are designed to provide a cardio workout. Swimming, walking, or jogging in place takes a little practice, but will become routine once a user determines how the system works best for them. Jet nozzle placement and alignment play a critical part in creating an efficient and usable current. Our systems can utilize as many jets as desired. However, let's focus on how to best use our standard 2-jet system. Ideally, the jets should be aligned in a manner that creates 2 currents, which breaks the water's surface and meet at a distance 4 feet from the pool wall. When swimming, begin approximately 2 feet in front of where the jet streams meet. Begin by using your arms only. Then use your legs once you feel yourself start to drift back. The breaststroke is the most efficient method to use, as it is easier to keep your body square to the current, although any swimming strokes can be utilized effectively with a little practice. Unfortunately, there is some disinformation in the marketplace which is meant to confuse the consumer about how easy it is to swim through the jet streams. Our Badu Swimjet systems are specifically designed to provide a cardio workout and are not designed for sprinting through the water. There are several scenarios that make it possible to swim through the current. For instance, if the jet nozzles are not aligned properly, the current generated will not provide sufficient resistance to the swimmer or walker. But even when the jets are aligned properly, it is still possible to swim through the current rather than against it. For instance, accomplished swimmers attempt to swim on top of the water in order to reduce resistance as much as possible. When this type of swimming technique is used in a jet system, it does become possible to swim through the current. However, even accomplished swimmers can use a jet system by using a jogging technique rather than sprinting. These guidelines apply to all swimmers, not just competitive or accomplished swimmers. Swimmers of all skill levels can swim through the current if the jet system is not used properly. So let's answer some common questions to help you decide which type of swim against the current system is right for you. What are the basic differences between Badu Swimjet systems, river flow systems, and one-piece swim spas? Badu Swimjet Systems push water through jet nozzles, creating an immediate burst of water near the pool wall, which pushes the body of water in front of it, which in turn creates a current of up to 5,000 gallons per minute between 4 and 6 feet from the pool wall. River flow systems do not generate an initial burst of water. Instead, they produce a continuous flow of water measuring approximately 5,000 gallons per minute. Swim spas are essentially large hot tubs that incorporate swim jets. How do new pool installations of Badu Swimjet Systems, river flow systems, and swim spas differ? Badu Swimjet Systems can be incorporated in the wall of any type of newly constructed in-ground pool, including gunite, fiberglass, and vinyl liner. This provides a very clean look as the system is recessed in the pool wall and below the water level. River flow system manufacturers typically offer a very limited vinyl liner or fiberglass in-ground pool selection, which must be purchased directly from the system manufacturer. In order to use a river flow system in any other in-ground pool, you must purchase a large, unsightly unit which is permanently mounted on the pool deck. Swim spas are one-piece units that are typically placed on the deck itself. How do prices compare between Badu Swimjet Systems, river flow systems, and swim spas? Badu Swimjet Systems are much less expensive than river flow systems. Since swim spas are one-piece units, it's difficult to make a comparison. Generally, a one-piece swim spa will cost less than a new in-ground pool, but remember, you are essentially purchasing a hot tub that incorporates a swimjet system. From a functionality standpoint, how do these systems differ? As we mentioned previously, swimjet systems provide an initial punch of water near the pool wall that can be used for recreational and massage purposes, while also providing a cardio workout for swimmers, walkers, and joggers. Our Badu Swimjet systems are very efficient, versatile, and we believe the most appropriate choice for the large majority of pool owners. For accomplished swimmers who require a system which they can sprint against, we would recommend a river flow system. However, if you want to take advantage of the versatility our systems provide, while also being able to sprint against the current, you have the option of installing a Badu Swimjet system and incorporating a pool tether. This gives you the best of both worlds. What is the difference between using a swim against the current system and swimming laps in a pool? When you are swimming laps, you will typically slow down and speed up without even noticing it. Additionally, you will repeatedly encounter the pool wall, which will force you to then make a transition, reducing the effectiveness of the workout. This is similar to the difference between using an indoor treadmill or running outdoors for exercise. What pool size and shape considerations do I need to be aware of when choosing a Badu Swimjet system for the new pool I'm having installed? We recommend a swimming envelope of no less than 7 feet wide and 14 feet long. In small pools, features such as sun ledges, in-wall benches, and corner steps can, in some cases, interrupt the current produced by our systems. In most instances, proper jet alignment will compensate for these features. Please consult your pool builder during the pool design phase so that this is considered when installing your pool. The ideal water depth is a function of how you intend to use our systems. For swimmers, we recommend a depth of no less than 3 feet. For walkers and joggers, the jet stream should exit the water between the chest and upper stomach. What can I expect the noise level of Badu Swimjet systems to be? We utilize 4 horsepower pumps in most systems. These are powerful water pumps and are a bit louder than a pool circulation pump. The noise level in the pool area will greatly depend on how far away from the pool the pump is placed. Our systems have been utilized for over 30 years, and we rarely encounter a problem regarding noise levels. Is there a Badu Swimjet system that I can use in my existing pool? Our Badu Jet Inspiration is the perfect addition to any in-ground or above-ground pool. This is a 2-jet system which incorporates all the features of our in-the-wall systems and also incorporates an LED pool light. The Badu Jet Inspiration is also a great lower-cost alternative for new pools. We hope this presentation has helped you understand the differences between the swim against the current systems which are currently available in the marketplace. During the last 40 years, Spec Pumps has manufactured over 50,000 systems worldwide, and over 20,000 of these systems are in the United States alone. We look forward to producing your system soon. Your family will enjoy its benefits for years to come.